Prefabricated vertical drains, PVDs, also known as wick drains, are designed to expedite the consolidation of soft, water-saturated soils, making them more stable for construction. These drains consist of a core wrapped in geotextile filter fabric, allowing water to escape from the soil while preventing soil particles from clogging the system. This process accelerates the natural settlement of the soil by facilitating the removal of excess pore water, which is essential in areas with soft, compressible soils such as clays, silts, peat, and dredge fills. The core of these drains is typically made from polypropylene and designed with grooves to enhance water flow.
Designed by Thomas Poulter in the late 1930s for the Bird Antarctic expedition, the Antarctic Snow Cruiser was a massive 55-foot-long, 75,000-pound vehicle intended for polar research. With retractable wheels and mobile lab and living quarters, it struggled with traction on icy terrain. Despite its challenges, the Snow Cruiser remains an iconic symbol of early polar exploration and engineering ambition. Dive into the thrilling world of demolition with our video featuring the biggest trucks and lorries undergoing a crushing and scrapping process. Facilitated by some of the most powerful and dangerous excavators on the planet. These colossal machines demonstrate their immense power as they dismantle vehicles with surgical precision. Equipped with specialized attachments, these heavy-duty excavators effortlessly grip, carry, tear, and flatten cars and larger vehicles. The process not only showcases the raw power of these machines, but also emphasizes the importance of recycling and repurposing materials that would otherwise contribute to environmental waste. Each move of the excavators is calculated and deliberate, ensuring that every bit of metal is processed for reuse. This provides a mesmerizing spectacle of mechanical strength and destruction. Join us to witness those powerful excavators in action, turning what once roamed the roads into recyclable scraps. Caterpillar is a leader in heavy machinery, known for innovation and efficiency. They developed the Cat 24 motor grader for mining roads, capable of handling up to 180-ton payloads. Launched in 1995, it is the world's largest motor grader with over 1,000 units produced. Equipped with a Cat C27 engine generating 694 horsepower, it offers durability and reliability. The 24H version features a modular design, enabling 70% faster attachment replacement, 15% more torque, and weighs 75 tons, enhancing traction force and blade performance. The bulldozer equipped with the CI 7000 scrap shear is a notable innovation in construction and recycling. This attachment allows the bulldozer to not only perform earth-moving tasks, but also efficiently cut and handle various metal materials. This integration improves on-site work efficiency, saving time and costs, and enhances overall productivity. This advancement meets the growing demands of modern construction and recycling projects. Diving into mining equipment, the Cat 7495 electric rope shovel stands out as a titan. With a working weight exceeding 1,000 tons, it can move 100 tons of material in one scoop. Combining raw power with an advanced electric drive system, this machine enhances performance and reduces maintenance costs. The Caterpillar 637K scraper is a standout in construction and earth moving, known for its advanced design and features. Equipped with a powerful engine and modern transmission system, it optimizes efficiency in excavation and transportation while conserving energy. Its comfortable and secure cabin, along with remote monitoring and early warning systems, makes the Caterpillar 637K the top choice for large construction projects and critical infrastructure developments. Introducing the Vermeer SC382 Stump Cutter, the ideal solution for professional tree stump grinding. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver in residential areas and parks. With a powerful 37 horsepower engine, it effortlessly tackles even the toughest stumps like hickory. The durable cutting wheel grinds up to 15 inches deep, ensuring thorough root removal every time. Watch the VM ET800 40.3 in action as it powers through mud with its 275 horsepower engine and 22-ton pulling force. This machine climbs hills effortlessly, demonstrating its flexibility and efficiency in challenging environments. With a reach of 10 meters and a cutting height of 7.5 meters, it's designed with advanced technology to ensure safe and effective operation on tough terrains. Drivers of this powerful machine need experience with large machinery, in-depth terrain knowledge, adaptable driving skills, and technical expertise to achieve optimal performance. Watch the VM ET800 40.3 in action as it powers through mud with its 275 horsepower engine and 22-ton pulling force. This machine climbs hills effortlessly, demonstrating its flexibility and efficiency in challenging environments. With a reach of 10 meters and a cutting height of 7.5 meters, it's designed with advanced technology to ensure safe and effective operation on tough terrains. Drivers of this powerful machine need experience with large machinery, in-depth terrain knowledge, adaptable driving skills, and technical expertise to achieve optimal performance. Watch the IMT 558 haul 12 cubic meters of wood through muddy terrain, showcasing its power and reliability. Impressed? Comment below. Prefer another machine? Let us know in the comments. The IMT 558 is a durable Serbian tractor excelling in agriculture and forestry with strong performance in tough conditions. From a distance, cargo ships may seem like tiny dots, but up close, they're colossal, akin to floating skyscrapers. Since the introduction of the Ideal X in 1956, container ships have transformed the shipping industry by efficiently transporting vast quantities of cargo. These steel giants come in various sizes, from smaller ships carrying a few hundred containers to ultra-large vessels capable of transporting over 20,000 containers. The Easy Gripper Tire Handler series boosts efficiency and safety for tire technicians across various conditions. The Easy Gripper 2160, featuring a 90-degree tilt module, enhances maneuverability and safety for forklifts during tire handling. Its compact design also allows it to adapt to front loaders or T-handlers without a tilt module. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with truck crane systems, including electric-powered options, offering versatile tire handling solutions. The VAO Master, manufactured by Gubel UIL Germany, is a versatile round baler perfect for processing livestock feed. It efficiently handles materials like corn, CCM, alfalfa, sugar beet pulp, grains, mixed feed, and sunflower stalks, producing tightly compressed, uniform bales. This design minimizes waste, optimizes storage, and ensures high-quality feed preservation. The Ramform Titan, often dubbed the world's ugliest ship for its unconventional boxy design, is operated by PGS with a focus on seismic data collection. Its wide hull enhances stability and deck space, making it highly effective in offshore exploration despite its controversial appearance. A true innovation in marine technology.